Welcome to the vocabulary learning video on office procedures. We will provide you with useful words and phrases and show you how to use them in real-life situations. Let's get started.
Appreciate. To recognize the value or quality of something or someone. Example: I really appreciate your help with this project. Appreciation. A feeling of gratitude or admiration towards something or someone. Example: her boss showed appreciation for her hard work by giving her a promotion. Be exposed to come into contact with or experience something. Example: as a child, she was exposed to different cultures through her travels with her family. Bring in. To introduce or attract something or someone new. Example: the company hopes the new marketing campaign will bring in more customers. Casual, relaxed and informal. Example: he prefers to wear casual clothes to work, like jeans and a t-shirt. Code. A set of instructions that a computer can understand and execute. Example: the programmer spent hours writing and testing the code for the new software. Glimpse. A brief or incomplete view of something. Example: from the airplane window, I caught a glimpse of the stunning mountains below. Made of. Composed of or created from something. Example: the house is made of brick and wood. Out of. No longer possessing or having access to something. Example: he's out of ideas for how to solve the problem. Outdated. No longer current or fashionable, obsolete. Example: the company's outdated technology was hindering their productivity. Practice. The actual application or use of an idea or method. Example: regular practice is key to improving your skills in any activity. Practice. To regularly engage in an activity in order to improve or maintain skills. Example: she practices yoga every morning to stay in shape. Reinforcement. The act of strengthening a behavior or response through rewards or punishment. Example: the teacher used positive reinforcement to encourage good behavior in her students. Verbal. Relating to spoken rather than written language. Example: the verbal agreement between the two parties was not legally binding. To express in words. Example: she found it difficult to verbalize her feelings about the situation. As a teacher, it is important to appreciate and show appreciation for your students. Being exposed to different cultures and ways of life can also help you bring in new perspectives and ideas to your classroom. Creating a casual and comfortable learning environment can help students feel more at ease and open to learning. However, there are certain codes of conduct that must be followed to maintain a professional atmosphere. As a teacher, you are constantly looking for glimpses of progress and improvement in your students' work. The materials used in a classroom are also important. The desks and chairs should be made of sturdy materials to ensure the safety and comfort of the students. Out-of-date or damaged materials can hinder the learning process and should be replaced as soon as possible. However, it is also important to practice sustainability and reuse materials when possible. Practicing good reinforcement techniques can help students feel encouraged and motivated to learn. Verbal praise and positive feedback can be just as important as tangible rewards. It is important to verbalize expectations and goals to students so they know what is expected of them. In the world of technology, it is important to stay up to date with current practices and codes. Outdated technology can slow down the learning process and hinder the teacher's ability to bring in new ideas and perspectives. It is important to practice using technology in the classroom to keep up with the changing world. In summary, as a teacher, it is important to appreciate your students and show appreciation for their hard work. Being exposed to different cultures and perspectives can bring in new ideas and ways of thinking. Creating a casual and comfortable learning environment can help students feel at ease and more open to learning. However, it is important to maintain professional codes of conduct in the classroom. Materials used in the classroom should be made of sturdy materials, and outdated materials should be replaced. Reinforcement techniques can help encourage and motivate students to learn. Staying up to date with current practices and codes is important in the world of technology.